Imagine a neutron star passing very close to Earth. What catastrophic events would unfold? Let's explore some truly mind-blowing cosmic possibilities unfolding before us slowly. A neutron star is the densest object in the universe, with gravity so strong it warps space-time around it. If one came near, its gravitational pull would disrupt Earth's delicate orbit and send our entire planet into absolute chaos, suddenly and irreversibly forever. The star's magnetic field would interact with Earth's, potentially causing widespread electrical failures and disrupting global communication networks severely. Aurorae would be visible everywhere, but they wouldn't be beautiful. They'd signal our planet's magnetic turmoil. The neutron star's intense radiation would slowly strip away our fragile atmosphere, leaving us exposed to harsh solar winds and cosmic dangers. But here's the astonishing thing. Neutron stars are tiny, about 10 miles across, so they'd be extremely hard to spot approaching silently in the vast darkness of space suddenly. Their rotation creates intense beams of radiation, making them pulsars that pulse like cosmic lighthouses, emitting rhythmic signals through space slowly. If a pulsar's beam hit Earth suddenly, it would be like a massive cosmic gamma-ray burst, extremely destructive, causing widespread catastrophic damage instantly, everywhere. The effects would depend on how closely the neutron star approaches, maybe 10 astronomical units or less, creating massive gravitational waves and distortions. For comparison, Neptune is about 30 astronomical units from the Sun, so close is relative here, significantly so in astronomical terms, obviously. As the neutron star approaches Earth, its intense gravity would distort Earth's oceans, causing massive megatsunamis and catastrophic floods, severely impacting coastal regions instantly. Volcanic eruptions and earthquakes would significantly increase due to the intense gravitational stress on tectonic plates, causing massive disturbances. The night sky would change dramatically as the neutron star's intense gravity lensed background stars into weird, mesmerizing patterns, creating an otherworldly spectacle slowly. Some scientists think a nearby neutron star could have caused prehistoric mass extinctions on Earth through catastrophic stellar events and cosmic disturbances. The last time a star came close was around 70,000 years ago. Schultz's star passed within 0.8 light-years, creating a brief cosmic disturbance in the Oort cloud. But Schultz's star was actually a red dwarf, not a neutron star, much less destructive, thankfully, with significantly reduced astrophysical impact. Neutron stars are born from massive supernovae explosions, where incredibly dense stars collapse into something mysterious and very dense suddenly. Their density is such that a sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons, creating an unimaginable gravitational pull nearby always. If a neutron star were to land on Earth suddenly, it would sink through the planet due to its immense, overwhelming gravity, causing unprecedented destruction. The resulting effects would be utterly catastrophic, as the star would slowly consume Earth from the inside out, causing unimaginable destruction. However, the odds of a neutron star coming close enough to affect us are astronomically low, creating significant existential tension quietly within humanity. Still, imagining such a complex scenario lets us appreciate the vast universe's intricate dynamics and complex astrophysical processes slowly. Astronomers monitor the skies for potentially hazardous asteroids and comets, but not neutron stars, which are often overlooked despite their significant gravitational presence nearby. The nearest known neutron star is about 400 light-years away, giving us a rather comfortable margin to study its phenomena closely now. Some neutron stars are dead pulsars, no longer emitting beams, making them much harder to detect through conventional means astronomically. Their presence might be inferred from unusual gamma-ray or X-ray emissions in the surrounding vicinity, creating an air of mystery and subtle tension slowly. Neutron stars aren't just destructive cosmic events. They're also mysterious cosmic laboratories for studying extreme physics phenomena closely. Studying them closely helps us understand matter at extreme densities and pressures that we can't possibly replicate here on Earth precisely. So, while a nearby neutron star is highly unlikely, thinking about it is a cosmic thrill ride worth sharing with many close friends enthusiastically.